Good morning. Thank you very much for having me. Jeff and Brian and Nancy, thank you for everyone on the team. I'm looking forward to sharing a little bit of my insights or thoughts about how we're looking at investing in the computer vision industry. I'm not going to explain anything to you because you're the experts in the room, literally building the industry. I may touch on a few topical things and kind of frame it from a perspective from an investment perspective, why do we see certain topics or market dynamics as being indicators of growing markets and growing opportunity. So, just a little bit about Shasta Ventures, first of all. Shasta Ventures, to set the stage, it's a 13-year-old venture capital firm based here on Sand Hill Road. We're on our fifth fund, which is a $323 million fund. Total assets under management are about $1.3 billion. And we invest across three main sectors. One is enterprise software. One is consumer products, that's both software and hardware. Products like Nest, the thermostat, like Dollar Shave Club, the razor, like Nextdoor, the social network for neighborhoods, like Stance, the socks company even. And I spend most of my time though in what we call emerging platforms. And so emerging platforms are, what are the technologies that are coming down the pipe that are going to affect the way that enterprises or consumers interact with technology. So it's a really fun area to invest. Our stage is typically Series A and Series B. So what that means is the company has product in market, early customers, revenue, and our typical check size ranges between $5 million to $15 million on our first investment, and then we earmark about twice that to continue following on with the company throughout its lifetime. We tend to focus in US, but are open to companies from other places with US offices. So I'm going to talk about this, in the emerging platforms context. And in emerging platforms, we're often investing ahead of market traction or large-scale market adoption. And so, Nest is an interesting example. We co-led the Series A. They're, getting in, and everybody else was telling us this is just a crazy idea. Nobody wants to buy, beige devices that they stick on their wall for $400. And, we were able to, everything's 20/20 in hindsight, but basically kind of looked at the tea leaves, looked at where the market was going, and made an early investment. And so that's the perspective with which I'm looking at the areas of computer vision, augmented reality, and virtual reality, and that's what we'll touch on a little more here.